Thanks for stopping into the Perfect Storm Trading YouTube channel. Go to our website, perfectstormtrading.com. If you would like a chance to win a free copy of the Perfect Storm Trading Book and Indicator Package, go to our website. You will get a pop-up box on the front page. You can drop your first name and your email in, send it to us. We will send you one email back with instructions on how to enter the contest. We will not spam your email, nor will we pass your email on to anyone else. So if you want to get a shot at getting into this contest, go to perfectstormtrading.com and sign up on our website. Good morning again, everyone. It is Tuesday morning, 17th of August, just before 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick look at the Astro Excel green line. You can see the downward pressure is culminating here on this last little dip between 8 and 9 this morning, and then the green line pressure moves up into tomorrow morning. Let's go back and review a couple things. PH times were good yesterday. Earlier in the day, you can see where we had the Vedic timing window was right near the end of the morning segment. That's what caused a little double bottom, and then we went into that rocket shot to the upside. Our afternoon indications were for reversals, which did not really do much, just minor corrections inside that bull trend. Coming into today, I set these projections up earlier. I projected this low and this high, follow the red trend line out to the projected times, and then see we hit the first two triggers this morning. The first one, a short here, and then we got kind of a midpoint action here on this minor correction. So that was a little bit out of my orb for taking a trigger. So that one's kind of a non-event there. Then we've got coming up the projected time, 10:25, 10:40 on the end of the segment. The second projection comes in at 1:10, and then the 2:07 to 2:16 window, and then again at the end of the red segment this afternoon at 15:13. There's a Vedic timing window, two timing windows. Here's the Vedic chart. You can see we're in the midst of this timing window now. On the A2 panel, we had a neutral segment just before that. We made a low lower than that last window, but we're kind of in between now. So we'll see if we get a higher high or higher low yet while we're inside this window until this is going to go until about 9:21, and you can see the vertical lines are the trigger points. So we may get something into this 844, 840, 853 frame. Then we have our second window. Comes in about 12:25, stretches to 15:50, so it's a good chunk of the afternoon, and you can see the A1 bright green window overlaps the A2, so it's possible we could get an important event in the smaller rectangle here. But our three main triggers are going to be in these points, and I actually forgot to put a line in on the other box there. We've got this green block here, so we'll be looking at something in there on A1, and then the beginning and the end of segment times may play a part in it as well, so you always have to pay attention to that. So that's it for today. We will be back again tomorrow with another video. We'll see you then.